रिंकू,
हाँ जी,
ये देख।
आगे तो चले।
सत श्री अकाल बीजी।
सत श्री अकाल पुत्र।
अब साफ दिखाई दे रहा है बीजी।
बहुत साफ दिखाई दे रहा है।
बीजी इतने टाइम बाद नए चश्मे बनवा ही लिए।
किसी अपने ने पैसे भेजे
और हर महीने पैसे भेजेंगे।
वाह।
ਫੋਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਟੂ ਟੂ ਹੋਊਗੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 1 ਤਰੀਕ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ। ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਨੇ, ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਅਮੀਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ। ਮਾਵਾਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਤਿਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਦੀ।
मुख्यमंत्री माँ बेटी सत्कार योजना, आपका अपना भगवंत मान।
The flood situation in Assam continues to remain grim, with the death toll rising to 95 after 6 more people lost their lives, while more than 1.6 lakh people remain affected across 14 districts of the state. Well, according to the Assam State Disaster Management Authority, or ASTMA, the latest fatalities were reported on Wednesday. 2 people each died in Shivsagar and Biswanath districts, while 1 person each lost their lives in Golaghat and Moregaon. Shivsagar remains the worst affected district, accounting for 50 of the total 95 deaths reported so far. Charaideo has recorded 21 fatalities, followed by Jorhat with 9 deaths, Golaghat with 5, Dhemaji with 3, Karbi, Anglong, and Biswanath with 2 deaths each. While other areas have also reported 1 death each. Notably, the floods have affected more than 1,60,600 people across these several districts. Shivsagar alone has nearly 57,000 affected residents, followed by Golaghat with around 34,000 people and Jorhat with nearly 25,000. The number of people affected has increased sharply from around 1.22 lakh reported just a day earlier, highlighting the rapidly worsening situation in the state. And in order to support all those displaced by the floods, authorities have established more than 100 relief camps and relief distribution centers across 6 districts, where over 44,500 people are currently taking shelter. Meanwhile, floodwaters have submerged nearly 16,952 hectares of agricultural land, causing extensive damage to crops. Embankments, roads, bridges, and other public infrastructure have also suffered significant destruction in several parts of Assam. Amid the crisis, Union Health Minister JP Nadda visited the flood-ravaged area along the Assam-Nagaland border in Shivsagar district on Wednesday. The visit came at the direction of PM Narendra Modi as the centre stepped up its assessment of the damage caused by the latest wave of floods, which began on July 19. And during his visit, JP Nadda, accompanied by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa, inspected the affected areas and interacted with families impacted by the floods. Speaking to the reporters, the Union Minister said that he had witnessed the scale of devastation firsthand and acknowledged that restoring normalcy would take time because of the extensive damage. Later, JP Nadda chaired a high-level review meeting with CM Himanta Biswa and senior state officials in order to assess the flood situation and review ongoing relief, rehabilitation, and healthcare measures. He assured residents that both the central and state governments were working with urgency and sensitivity in order to support every flood-affected family. He also said that teams from the central government were carrying out detailed assessments of the damage and that all the necessary financial assistance would be extended, while promising that there would be no lapses in relief and rescue operations. JP Nadda is scheduled to visit Arunachal Pradesh, where he will inspect areas that are affected by flash floods, interacts with affected residents, and hold another review meeting with state officials in order to assess the health situation and oversee ongoing relief and rehabilitation efforts. His visit is a part of a 3-day tour of the Northeast from August 4 to August 6. And with floodwaters continuing to impact thousands of families, large-scale rescue, relief, and rehabilitation operations remain underway, even as authorities work to restore normalcy in one of the worst flood disasters to hit Assam this year. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.